XRP's price right now is going against Bitcoin and the majority of the crypto market, up 4.17% on the daily time frame, and this is all in anticipation to today's verdict in the Ripple lawsuit. What will Judge Torres decide? Will she decide that Ripple ends up victorious once again, or will it be the SEC? The decision is so very important today, especially because right now the SEC is going on an absolute tear, an absolute rampage, cracking down on everything that has anything to do with crypto. As we can see from Fox Business journalist Elena Terrett, crypto's in court this week. Today, two high-profile lawyers representing Custodia Bank and its appeal against the Federal Reserve will file a notice of appearance. Ian Gershon-Gorn, acting Solicitor General under Obama, and Michelle Callan, former Solicitor General of Virginia, have strong win records at the Supreme Court and the appeal courts, which is very big news. In 4 days' time, Friday 10th of May, we're slated to get a response from the SEC in two of Coinbase's cases: the response brief to Coinbase's request for an interlocutory appeal and the response brief to Coinbase's legal challenge to the SEC's refusal to do crypto rulemaking, which again, a very, very big deal. The third one's probably the most surprising one today. Robinhood just announced today that it received a Wells notice from the SEC regarding its business in crypto, which is insane. Confirmation that the SEC is continuing to go on an absolute rampage in the digital asset industry by going after even more traditional exchanges like Robinhood, because Robinhood is licensed to broker stock securities and only added crypto later due to the demand of it. So the SEC is going absolutely ballistic and Congress needs to stop them. They cannot keep their pants on. And considering that very, very big announcement now, there were numerous reports and rumors circulating a few days ago that Robinhood is going to add XRP trading on the 31st of May, the end of this month. And considering now that Robinhood has just been received a Wells notice, this is much more likely, a lot more promising, and could be a great catalyst for XRP's price action. The final massive case to happen this week, of course, is regarding Ripple and XRP. The SEC also is set to give a response today to Ripple's remedies argument that the permanent injunction the agency is asking for should not be granted, or if granted, should be restricted. So today, we are going to see the final reply from the SEC in the remedies phase of the Ripple lawsuit. After that, we have to wait till roughly July or August according to Ashley Prosper, maybe even September for Judge Torres' final ruling. Now likely, depending on how this goes with the Ripple or the SEC wins, no matter what, we are likely going to see an appeal from the side that ends up with the less favourable ruling. But the fact of the matter being is this verdict that's going to happen is not going to take that long for this appeal to go through, because the decision would have already been made. So there's not much they can argue in that regard. And once this happens, remember, a settlement deal between Ripple and the SEC could come at any time between right now and any potential appellate court ruling. The settlement deal is closer than you think. I'm telling you right now. So today has the potential to be an absolutely massive day for Ripple, for crypto, or maybe for the SEC. We have 5 key points from XRP drops here from the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC that we need to look out for. Today, the SEC is expected to respond to Ripple's objection should Fox's testimony be excluded. The outcome of this legal challenge could significantly influence Ripple's ability to sell XRP to institutional investors and the broader regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies. XRP effectively, they need to win this case for crypto to flourish for America to get rid of the SEC. So effectively today is Judgment Day. Everything is hanging in the balance and Ripple will be the one to stop the SEC's rampage, to bring regulatory clarity to themselves and to crypto, to lead the way. And once this happens, XRP's adoption and price will explode.